So what happens after you've taken your citizenship test? What is the next step? Essentially what will happen is once you've done the citizenship test, there will be a ceremony, a citizenship ceremony, where essentially you will take the oath of citizenship. It's an oath that basically says that you will be allegiant to Canada, and after taking that oath, you will essentially be a citizen of Canada. And you will actually be given a citizenship certificate at the time of your taking that oath. With that citizenship certificate, eventually in the mail will come your citizenship card. Now, if you do not pass the written test, what will happen is you will get another opportunity to write the test again. A letter will be sent to you. You will get another opportunity to pass this test. Should you pass the test, at that point, you'll get another letter saying to come and take the oath of citizenship. Now, should you fail the second time the written test, at that point you will be scheduled an interview with an immigration officer, where it would be a verbal interview where the immigration officer will ask those questions and ensure that you're able to communicate basic English or French and understand the basics of the rights and responsibilities of a citizen. The interview will last about 30 to 90 minutes, so it's not necessarily a lengthy interview. Don't be too nervous. The immigration officers are actually relatively nice during these interview, and it would just be they're just really testing your ability to communicate and understand basic questions, putting sentences together and things like this. If you're asked to do this interview and at that point you pass the interview, then you get a letter stating that you're now ready to take the oath of citizenship. So this test, the citizenship test, is mandatory to pass. You will not be you will not go to the next step of taking the oath unless this test is passed. However, you do get multiple opportunities. The only thing that I do want to emphasize is that citizenship application, the process is extremely, is a lot, it's extensive. And so you want to make sure that you're well prepared and you give it your best shot as possible the first time around. I've seen applications pending for 3-4 years. Regularly, citizenship applications take about 1.5 to 2 years. So if you fail your first test and you have to go to the second test, you've just added more processing times. So try your best to submit a complete application, try your best to be prepared for the citizenship test, and so that you can take the oath of citizenship as soon as possible. If you have questions about the test, or if you have waited longer than the actual regular processing times with this for citizenship, give us a call. Let us do a follow-up for you and see where your application is at to see if we can expedite the process for you. Thank you, and until next time.